the weirdest thing to me though. Like, what the heck is, I feel like this is, like, what is your target market? I don't understand. People who like beer but can't drink beer? What happened?
All right, we are focused. It's not super bright right here, but guess what? I'm back with another video. I feel like I'm staying very consistent. Now, mind you, I have no makeup on and I have some leftover makeup from yesterday. I am still in my workout clothes. My hair is not even like really brushed, but you know what? I don't care because I'm very happy because I got this box and I want to discover what's inside of it. So I asked you guys over on Instagram if you guys wanted me to do a unboxing, and you said yes. And guess what? It's not sponsored, so you know it's real. I got the Fabfitfun box. Now, every time I have ever seen this thing, it has always been sponsored. I've never seen someone get this with it not being sponsored and like talk about it. So I can say whatever I want about it. I originally was watching a video, Alice in Wonderland. She was doing a video of, I don't know, like a fall video. She had opened hers and I kind of was digging some of the stuff that was inside of it for the first time because I've watched these before. I've seen people have them and I wasn't always feeling it. So then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I have a little bit of extra money. I'm gonna go get it. So you pick out like 4 things that you want. And I was slightly disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, because the things that I picked out, I sort of wanted part of it to be a surprise. Like I didn't understand why I was picking everything. I don't know. But then I got it and I opened it. I haven't like pulled anything out, but I opened it and I realized there's a lot more than 4 things in here. So I guess you pick things and then you also get surprised with other stuff. We're just gonna get into it. I'm just gonna pull everything out. Of course, there's like HelloFresh coupons and then some kind of Fabfitfun, I don't know, like catalog. And I'm guessing it's to tell you what is in your box, and there's recipes and stuff like that in there. So that's what we have right on top. All right, so the first thing I picked out are these Fry socks. Now, the only reason I know what this brand is because I play every once in a while that game Covet on my phone, and this brand is always in there and they're always expensive. So these are $24 for 2 socks. So they are boot socks. There's 2 pairs and they're crazy soft. There's black and gray. These are the socks, and then they have like the little part right here, which I love socks and I feel like you can never have enough socks. So I got socks because winter is a-coming and I'm gonna be wearing my boots. So I figured, why not? I'm not quite sure what this is. I don't know if I picked this or if this is one of the surprises. This is Heineken, alcohol-free Heineken. What the heck is this? I don't understand. Okay, so I got a tiny little can. It literally says 21 and up, but it says 0% alcohol, 100% taste. Why is it 21 and up if there's no alcohol? I'm so confused. I don't know. Okay, I didn't even see that as an option. I feel like it's something that's very weird. All right, moving on. This is Zoe Isla eco-friendly comb set. It says that there's 2 combs in here. Ooh, these are actually really cute. Love these. Oh, it feels so weird. Okay, so we got a wide tooth comb here, and then we have just your standard little comb, which actually I just found mine the other day and it was not as sturdy as this, and it's super thin. I actually use these a lot for straightening my hair. Anyway, so I use these all the time. It's very, very pretty. So this one's like a pink, like a blush pink color, and then this one's like, I don't know, like a burnt red orange-ish. These I will definitely use. What is this? This is True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm Moisturizing Balm for Hands and Body. Here. That was so hard to get out of there. It's very not spreadable. And it kind of smells like cardboard. I'll give it to somebody. Oh, I feel like it's making my hands look kind of greasy. Anyway, I think this is one of the ones that I picked out. This one I actually was kind of excited about. Yeah. So I got a Vera Bradley cosmetic pouch, I guess. I thought it was super cute. So there's the inside, all the paisleys and everything, and it's like this really pretty velvety feel, and it's like a purple, matches my shirt. But there's like a little front compartment, so I guess like if you're traveling with stuff, you can like open this up like this, sticks brushes or whatever in there. I just thought that was cute because we're traveling a few places this month and December, so I need to have some stuff with me. And this I was very excited about. I love blankets. I freeze here in Missouri. Oh, I wanted to get a blanket. That was one of the options by Our House, the waffle blanket, and it's like this really pretty olive green color. Okay, and I was really excited because since we are going to be driving down to Disney in December, we're going to need blankets. Pretty heavy duty, I feel like, for a blanket. Look at that. So nice. It's actually pretty cozy. Pretty cozy. Oh, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. But it's nice. I need to wash it, make it a little softer. But it's like a sweater, like a cardigan, you know? All right, then we got Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. All right. There's like no smell. That's really nice though, actually. There's no smell, but it feels pretty great. Oh, Babe Lash. Got an eyelash curler. That's fancy. I actually need a new eyelash curler, so that's pretty perfect actually. And it's rose gold, which is funny because so is my other one. It's not the same brand, but look at that. How cute is that? It's rose gold. It says Babe Lash on the front. Fancy, adorable, and then it comes with like an extra little lash thingy. And this is the last thing in here. Yeah. This I was super excited about. These things just keep popping out of everything. It's a little basket. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's so cute. Although it's a lot smaller than what it looked like online. I definitely thought it was way bigger. But look at that. How cute is that? Honestly, it could probably be a purse instead of just a basket. But I actually liked this because I thought about doing, I want to get some kind of plant for my room, like a real plant. Like I have Cusco, which is like a little, some type of succulent, but I want to get like a tree, some kind of a tree thing. But I've seen people where they stick the plants inside this part and then it like comes out of the basket and looks all fancy. I want to do that. So that's a good size for this, to be honest. If I don't get it like a giant tree, then I think that we'll be okay. And that's it. That's everything that came in here. This blanket alone was $60. So, and Vera Bradley, I don't know how much Vera Bradley is. Well, this basket was made in South Africa, so that's fun. Yeah, that's everything. I don't know how much the Vera Bradley was. I don't know how much most of this stuff was. If for whatever reason you guys have not gotten one of these and you do want one, I think I do, like I think that everybody that signs up gets like a code to give somebody else. Don't feel obligated, but if you do want to get something, I'll link that if I do have a link. If I don't, then I will link somebody else's. I don't know, but it was $10 off. I feel like it was worth it. Now, will I get this every time? Probably not. I don't know. That's really confusing. But I love the socks. I love the lip balm, actually. It's fairly nice. This stuff is weird. The socks feel fantastic. These are super cool, and I will definitely use these like on a daily basis. This is very weird. Love the basket. Love the eyelash curler. Love the blanket. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll put stuff down there, down in the box. Peace out, guys.